Now the second question is, observe the information shown in the pair of a triangle. We have to observe this information. Which one? The B, angle B is equal to angle Q, then angle BC is equal to angle QR, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, this one we have to first observe. Then state the test by which two triangles are congruent. We have to specify the test. Which test is this? First is angle, then side, then angle. Okay, angle, side, angle. So the test is angle, side, angle. Write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. Other remaining congruent part we have to write. Okay, those which are mentioned, not mentioned here, like AB is congruent to PQ, this we know. Okay, then AC is congruent to QR. These two angles and these two sides are not mentioned here, but we have to write. Okay, write the what the question here, write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. Okay, now start. From the information shown in a figure, according to this figure, okay, in triangle ABC and PQR, angle ABC is congruent to PQR. ABC is congruent to PQR just because segment BC is congruent to QR. BC is congruent to QR. Just because of these two lines, they are mentioned that these two lines are congruent. Okay, then angle ACB is congruent to PQR. Now from this one, angle ACB is congruent to PRQ. Okay, then angle ABC, angle AB is congruent to PQR. ABC is congruent to PQR. Just because of this, okay, just because of this test is angle, side, angle test. Okay, then the question they are given here, write the remaining congruent part. Okay, so which one is remaining congruent part? AB is congruent to PQ and AC is congruent to PR. So here we can write AB is congruent to PQ and AC is congruent to PR. And this one is BAC is congruent to QPR. Okay, BAC is congruent to PQR. Okay, when AB is congruent to PQR and AC is congruent to PR, okay, AB is congruent to PQ and AC is equal to PR. So BAC, triangle BAC is congruent to PQR. These two angles is also congruent, angle A or angle C. Now the next question is from the information in the figure, you can see here the information. QT is congruent to RT just because of same line, and PT is congruent to ST just because of these two same lines. Okay, so in triangle PTQ and STR, okay, PTQ is congruent to STR vertically opposite angle because they are vertically opposite just because of PTQ, and this one is from STR. Okay, you can see here the vertically opposite angle can be shown here. Okay, then segment TQ is congruent to segment TR. Segment TQ is congruent to segment TR just because of this line. Okay, so triangle PTQ is congruent to STR. PTQ is congruent to STR. Okay, कौन सा टेस्ट है ये? विच टेस्ट इज गिवन या? SAS टेस्ट, साइड एंगल साइड. ओके, ये लिसन, साइड एंगल and side. Okay, then angle TPQ and TSR is also congruent, and TQP and TRS is also congruent. Okay, so segment PQ and SR is also congruent. Segment PQ and SR. Okay, the another information which is not mentioned here with the help of sign. Which one is this? PQ and SR.